India awaits, a land of vibrant colors, exotic aromas, and ancient traditions. Prepare to be captivated. From the towering Himalayas to the sun-kissed beaches, India is a tapestry of diverse landscapes. Discover bustling cities and serene countryside. Experience the warmth of Indian hospitality. Let the music guide your adventure. Are you ready to embark on this unforgettable journey? Close your eyes. Breathe in the scent of sandalwood and spices. Feel the energy of 1,000 stories whispering in the wind. India is calling, inviting you to explore its heart and soul. Open your eyes and step into a world of wonder. Our journey begins in the north, where the Himalayas stand tall. Snow-capped peaks pierce the azure sky. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the sound of temple bells. Imagine trekking through picturesque valleys, encountering Buddhist monks deep in meditation, feeling a sense of peace wash over you. The Himalayas are not just mountains, they are sacred, home to ancient monasteries and pilgrimage sites. Here, spirituality blends seamlessly with nature. Feel the spiritual energy as you spin prayer wheels. Listen to the chanting of monks echoing through the valleys. Experience a profound connection with something larger than yourself. Now we travel west to Rajasthan, the land of kings. Imagine vast deserts stretching as far as the eye can see. Forts and palaces stand as testaments to a glorious past. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Hear the rhythmic beat of traditional music. Explore the vibrant cities of Jaipur, Jodhpur, and Udaipur. Let the intricate architecture and vibrant colors mesmerize you. Witness the pageantry of royal processions and cultural performances. Rajasthan is a feast for the senses, a reminder of India's rich history and regal heritage. Kerala. Tranquil backwaters and lush greenery. Next, we venture south to Kerala, God's own country. Imagine emerald green backwaters fringed with coconut trees. Houseboats glide peacefully, offering a glimpse of rural life. The air is filled with the scent of spices and the sound of gentle waves. Relax and rejuvenate in this tropical paradise. Experience the tranquility of a traditional Ayurvedic massage. Savor the flavors of Kerala's unique cuisine. Let the serenity of the backwaters soothe your soul. The sacred Ganges, witnessing faith and rituals. No journey through India is complete without experiencing the Ganges River. Considered the holiest river in Hinduism, the Ganges holds deep spiritual significance. Witness the daily rituals of faith along its banks. See pilgrims bathing in its sacred waters. Feel the profound sense of devotion that permeates the atmosphere. The Ganges is a lifeline for millions of Indians. It is a place of birth, death, and renewal. Witnessing the faith and rituals along its banks is a humbling experience. It offers a glimpse into the heart of Indian spirituality. The culinary tapestry, a symphony of flavors. Indian cuisine is as diverse as its landscapes. Prepare your taste buds for an explosion of flavors. From spicy curries to sweet desserts, each region boasts its unique culinary traditions. Imagine savoring aromatic biryanis, tandoori chicken, and lentil soups. Tasting the sweetness of gulab jamun and the creaminess of lassi. Food in India is not just sustenance, it is a celebration of life. Share a meal with a local family and experience the warmth of Indian hospitality. Engage your senses and savor the symphony of flavors that is Indian cuisine. Until next time, India's enchanting embrace lingers. As our journey comes to an end, the memories linger. India's enchanting embrace stays with you. The vibrant colors, the intoxicating aromas, the warmth of the people. India is a land that leaves an indelible mark on your soul. India is not just a destination, it is an experience, an adventure for the senses, a journey for the soul. So until next time, let the magic of India stay with you. Let it inspire you, move you, and beckon you back for more.